In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Evernote. Whether you're more comfortable using a different language or need to make adjustments for work or school, changing the language settings can make a significant difference in your user experience. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, we'll begin by navigating to the Evernote web. Make sure you are logged into your account before proceeding, as these settings are unique to your personal account and access. Once you're comfortably logged into the Evernote web, you'll need to find where to access your account settings. Look for your account name or profile picture in the top corner of the screen. Clicking here will typically open up a menu or drop-down with various options related to your account. Next, you'll focus on finding the Account Info section. This is where all the magic happens regarding changing your language settings. It's the area of the platform that holds most of the personal settings, including the language preference, making it central to personalizing your Evernote experience. Once you've arrived at the Account Info screen, take a look around for language settings. In many cases, there will be a drop-down menu specifically for changing the language. This drop-down is your gateway to altering the language. Simply click on it. This action will reveal all the available languages that Evernote supports, which should be quite a few. Now, it's time to choose your desired language. Carefully scroll through the list in the drop-down menu until you find the language you want to use. Once you've located your language, click to select it. Be mindful to choose the one that best accommodates your needs, whether it's your native tongue or the language used predominantly at your workplace. After selecting the language, most systems require you to confirm your choice. So, make sure to look out for any prompts asking for confirmation. Confirming this change is crucial to ensure that Evernote updates your settings appropriately. Depending on your browser and the platform, the page might refresh automatically to reflect the new language setting. If an automatic refresh doesn't happen, don't worry. Sometimes, you might need to manually refresh the page to see all the updated settings in action. Do this by clicking the refresh button on your browser, or alternatively, closing and reopening Evernote web. Once refreshed, all the text and commands should appear in your chosen language, making your Evernote experience more intuitive and accessible. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Changing your language in Evernote is an excellent way to customize your workspace to better fit your personal or professional needs. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and enjoy personalizing your Evernote account even further.